Hello, I'm Thinev. My last bird was about the Loreng sunbird. Today I'll be talking about the barred Buttonquail. Also known as the common-breasted quail, is a buttonquail, one of a small family of birds which resemble but are unrelated to the true quails. This species is resident from India across tropical Asia to South China, Indonesia and the Philippines. Brown with scaly streaking above, extensive black bearing on the chest, more extensive on the female, and rich tawny flanks. Barred buttonquails' calls are like extremely difficult to detect, moving about invisibly in dense vegetation in fields, forest edges, and farmland. You guessed it, I haven't seen a barred buttonquail, but I hope to see a barred buttonquail soon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video about the white-breasted water hen.